preschool we explore different strands of mathematics like measurement, data handling, shape and space, pattern, and number and function. And where possible, we like to make connections to real-world experiences for the children. So you'll normally see children with manipulatives in their hands so that they can make that connection between those physical representations of number and of mathematics. So one of the things that we do early in the year is sit with the children and ask them, well, what do they already know about maths, and what do they want to learn, and what do they want to find out? And it's always really interesting, the things that they're excited about often are connected with big numbers. So they want to be able to count to big numbers, and they want to be able to add big numbers. The beauty of the small class sizes that we have in ICS means that we're really able to tailor the mathematical experiences for what each child needs and what the next steps they need to take are. Preschool class, not everyone is working on the same thing at the same time. Sometimes the teachers will have formed groups of students that we know are working on the same strategies so that we can kind of unpack those a little bit more together with them in a teacher-directed experience. Sometimes children will be exploring math manipulatives, inventing games, working together on their own choice of math exploration. So for example, if children are designing their own mathematical games, some children will be working with 100 frames, and they'll be looking to notice patterns, like are they seeing that the tens, that they can count by tens? Are they understanding place value? Can they say, oh, 79 must come before 80? And they'll really be working with those big numbers. Other children will still be working with smaller numbers. They'll be rolling dice and seeing, can they supertize, and are they able to tell straight away what that dot pattern means and what the corresponding quantity is. And so our jobs as teachers in ICS in preschool is to really look at each child and see where they are on their mathematical journey. So we know that good mathematicians have number fluency and flexibility. And so one of the ways that we try to develop that is by helping students use different manipulatives. So of course sometimes you'll see children with counters, other times you'll see children drawing pictures, but one of the really useful manipulative for them to use is their fingers. That's something that they always have, and making that connection between counting on your fingers. Scientists have found there's a correlation between using your fingers when you're counting and thinking about numbers, and also that part of your brain that lights up when you're doing that thinking. So really having maths be grounded in physical activities that children are doing, and counting on your fingers, and using manipulatives helps them so much with their understanding and their flexibility with number. Ultimately in preschool we're trying to develop confidence with number and excitement around mathematics. We want children to see themselves as mathematicians,